Let's start with a really quick demonstration of how Canva Code works. If you select Canva AI, you will now be able to design, create an image, draft a doc, or code for me. Once you select code for me, you can define your own code idea, or if you scroll, you can see some other possibilities. So maybe, for example, you're looking for a simple countdown timer that you can use either on a website or in a presentation or any other project you're looking for. Super easy to do this by just editing what you are looking for in this prompt. So maybe I don't want a 15-minute, I just want a 5-minute countdown, and I don't want a meditation timer. I really just want a regular generic timer. We could have pulsing animation and subtle sound alerts if we wanted to. We could change this. If I wanted this to be a different color, I could change that. I'm going to leave it the way it is. I can also ask follow-up questions if I need that as well. So I'm going to go ahead and select submit, and it's going to start writing me code that I can then use in my design. Once it completes the code, what it's going to do is automatically show me my design that I can then use in any of my projects. Now, one thing that is probably going to be your first question is, how do I get the code? And this is fairly new functionality that was just released last week. So at this time, you can't grab the code from here. Once it finishes the code, what it's going to do is immediately show you the output. And there isn't a way for you to copy and paste the code. But certainly those are features that I would hope we see in the future. So as it continues to write this code, it's going to give us an output here in just a moment. Now it gives me a little bit more over here on the left, and it shows me what version 1 looks like. And here I can see now I have this great timer that I can then use in the design. The other thing I can't do at this point is I can't edit anything on here. So if I didn't want it to say a minimalist 5-minute countdown timer with visual pulse effect, I could ask it to remove that information and then make any other changes that I want to see in this by adjusting my prompt over here on the left. When I'm ready and I'm happy the way it is, I can select use in a design. And now there's my timer that is fully functional, that I can then use in any way that I want to use it.